Electrical and computer engineering touches, I would say, every aspect of life. There are numerous devices that are all around us that make use of electrical and computer engineering technology, from the computers that we use to the cell phones that we use to the aircraft that we get on, to the robots that are becoming increasingly prevalent in our lives. And electrical and computer engineers develop the technologies that enable these new types of systems, but then they also think about how these technologies and new technologies can be integrated into our lives.
Think of like maybe a solar-powered windmill. So an electrical engineer would find a way to divert the correct power and be able to take out power from that solar windmill to properly feed other systems without the use of code or anything. It's pure circuit boards, it's pure power supplies and capacitors and everything. The computer engineer is the one who takes the power given by the electrical engineer and tries to tell the windmill, don't spin this fast, or stop at this time, or maintain this while it's raining or something like that. So a computer engineer would code and help out the system, but at the same time they also do maintain a bit of power just like an electrical engineer would.
I feel that the professors here at Drexel really do want to help you learn and understand, and more importantly, understand why what you're learning fits into a greater context of what you want to do after being here at college.
We have so many events in our department to get students involved and to help learn what's going on, how you can get involved with research. Also, maybe you came in with an idea, I want to work on this, and that may be the case now, but later you discover, oh, there are these other projects that I could be working on. And given that we have this nice size, we can actually facilitate that through a lot of the events that we host in our department.
One of the things I love about teaching and working in the electrical and computer engineering department is the vast array of opportunities to which the work we do applies. There's also, of course, many opportunities for getting involved in undergraduate research. So many of our faculty lead very active labs conducting research on state-of-the-art technologies, and many of these labs have positions in them for undergraduate students to participate in that research.
Computer engineering starts entering the picture when we start talking about adding memory to these systems, the ability to remember things, the ability to do computation and organize those memories. That's also what we do here at Drexel.
The co-op program was very intriguing because I had an opportunity to see if electrical engineering was really for me before I graduate. And that was like a key point which I wanted to come to Drexel.
One thing that I haven't mentioned before is the staff. The staff that we have in our department is just, came out of a golden box. They are amazing and they really care about the students.
The opportunities are really limited only by your interest and your imagination.
At Drexel, we're committed to the success of each individual student.
Students who go through electrical and computer engineering also have an opportunity to work with our faculty on a number of research initiatives that are very prevalent.
We design ourselves, we focus ourselves around making our students not into necessarily good students, but into good practicing engineers.
I think we provide a very helpful set of services for our students. There's a very strong core, there's a very strong dedication rather to making sure our students are getting the help that they need when they need it.
I think being in Philadelphia and having to value research, education, and outreach all at the same time is invaluable, and it makes a very unique experience, not just for me as a professor, but also as students participating in our programs.